Hello guys, I'm Eddie V. Welcome to the channel, and guess what? My BMW broke again. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'm in the shop working on my Mazda, changing all the brake pads. But another thing, my Beamer, turned it on, was sat for 4 hours after driving it. All the lights turned on, power steering doesn't work, there's something wrong with the brake system, a whole bunch of other stuff. I went on Facebook, they said it's something to do with voltage, change your battery, because mine is the original BMW battery. Changed it, still the same thing. Came to find out I got to code the car in order for all those lights to turn off and everything to work properly. So hopefully that's the case, because there's 4 things that could be wrong with the car. It's definitely nothing mechanical. It's either the battery, alternator, voltage regulator, or the traction control module. It could be any of those. So I got a mobile mechanic coming. He's going to try to code it. If it's not the coding problem, he's going to find out what's wrong with the car, and we'll go from there. But hopefully it's an easy fix, because I just changed the battery and it's still doing the same thing. Still trying to fix it. If you want to, you can explain what we're trying to do.
We are trying to code and register a battery to the BMW. It has a new battery in it, starts up and runs fine, but it has tons of warning lights. Power steering doesn't work, ABS doesn't work, airbags don't work, check engine lights on. So we are trying to code the battery to match the car, so it will register and everything will work like it should.
At least we're hoping it works as it should, because you can see all kinds of lights on here.
Yeah, we hope it's gonna work.
That's right. Yeah, so now we're checking the fuses to see, maybe it is the fuses. Who knows what it actually is right now. Alright guys, so I woke up today and we're gonna take it to B&T Automotive, see what they say, because the guy could not figure it out that was there yesterday. Another big long problem with the BMW now. Hopefully we can get it squared away. Alright everybody, I am back. The BMW was taken to B&T Automotive in Lexington, and I do want to say this is what happened. It was a $140 fix, so don't take your car to BMW, guys, or they will overcharge you. But it was a $140 fix. What it was, why I had all these crazy lights, and I had blown ICM fuses. Because of that, this whole car looked like a Christmas tree, just because it had a blown ICM fuse. I had all this crazy stuff. Let's just say I do not know when I changed the battery if it blew it apart, or before that. I think before, because before I changed the battery, that's what happened. So I don't know if I even needed a new battery, but you know, that's what happens when you have a BMW. So technically altogether, I spent about $600 repairing the car, because I had to call the mobile mechanic, had to get the battery, had to get power steering fluid, not sure what it was, had to take it there. So, and with all the gas, probably around $600. So yeah, this is how my update is so far. So thank goodness everything went up. Alright guys, if you like this YouTube video, go ahead and subscribe down below. Subscribe to my channel, like and comment, and if you comment on what new video you would like to see next. I'm constantly working on new videos. I may not promote them out there that quickly, but I promise you I'm trying my best to get as many videos as possible. Without further ado, signing off.